In your business, trouble can come at you from anywhere. That's why you're obsessed with covering yourself from every angle. So is McHugh. For over 25 years, McHugh products have helped the biggest names in the retail business ensure their stores are protected from every angle. McHugh products are scientifically crafted to help you minimize risk with advanced sculpted designs that absorb shocks in unprecedented ways and highly visible colors that don't require costly repainting. So not only does your facility work better, it looks better and stays that way. We tailor it all to your workplace's needs with a customized installation approach guaranteed to protect you from your top shelves to your bottom line. McHugh, better from every angle.